Hello everyone. So we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 4 from these challengers in this game. So it means long game from this tournament within 1 hour and 14 minutes game from this one. So, and also have between from this international master in Romania is Irina Bulmaga versus international master from China, Lu Miaoyi. Nickname is Meow Meow. So it means Meow Meow. Cute girl from 14 years old girl. So it means upcoming her birthday since February. Upcoming February with her birthday by Meow Meow. So it means birthday upcoming 15 years old from this one. So in this round number 4 in this challenger in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in these challengers in this round number 4 in Tata Steel. So white plays Irina is e4, e5 meow meow, knight f3, knight c6, and also d4. Scotch game from this one. So it means Scotch game from this d4 by Irina. So it means mainline since mainline here is bishop c4 by move by Irina or maybe move by bishop b5. So it means Roy Lopez and Italian game from this one. So so she moves by d4 by Irina, Scotch game from this move by Irina, and also pawn takes d4, knight takes d4, and also knight f6. So it means threatening of this e4, and also knight takes c6, pawn takes knight, and also bishop d3. So it means bishop d3 by Irina, with a upcoming of this one by castle king side by white pieces from this one. And also d5. So it means d5 here is novelty by Meow Meow. So it means novelty by d5. All main line there is bishop e7. So it means main line by black pieces here. So back there is d5 by novelty and also queen e2. So it means determinations by Irina from this one. And also pawn takes e4 and also knight c3 and also bishop b4. So it means bishop b4 by Meow Meow with a pin from this check by pin from check from this one. So it is developed by very focusing move by Meow Meow here from this one. And also bishop takes e4 and castle king side and also bishop takes c6. So it means bishop takes c6 by Irina. So it means the decided here with the idea of this target by rook with a capture this rook here from this one. And also rook b8. So it means rook b8 with a focusing by she moves by rook b8 by Meow Meow. And also castle king side and also queen d6. Good move by Meow Meow. So it means very, very good decisions by Meow Meow here from this one. And also bishop b5. So it means bishop b5 by Irina. And also knight g4. So it means knight g4 by Meow Meow. Still very strongest move by decisions by developments by Meow Meow. And also good move by g3 in Irina. So it means very good decisions by Irina from this one. And also bishop takes c3, pawn takes bishop, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5 with a develops by Meow Meow here from this one. And also bishop f4. So still Irina. So it means white from bishop f4 in Irina with a pin of this one by queen from this one. So it means pin. So it means after bishop f4. So it means first puzzle. What do you think in a focusing of this idea are first brilliant sacrifice move by Meow Meow. So it means very, very focusing idea. So it means brilliant sacrifice. So while waiting for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats to everyone is boom! Rook takes b5, sacrifice. Brilliant move by Meow Meow. Wow, very very nice move by Meow Meow. Still very good brilliant sacrifice by Meow Meow. And also queen takes rook. So it means queen takes rook and also knight f3 check. So it means very strongest move by Meow Meow. So it means good decisions, development. So it means focusing move by Meow Meow. And also another good move, king g2 by Irina. And another good move by this blue from these good decisions is queen e6. So it means another good move by Meow Meow. So it means very focusing move by decisions. So it means developed by this one. And also rook fd1, and also another again good move is c6. So it means c6 is great move by Meow Meow. So it means decided threatening here by queen here from this one. And also another good move, queen a4 by Irina. So it means very great move by 3 points by I am Irina from this one. So it means another second puzzle. So what do you think are another puzzle is brilliant move by Meow Meow sacrifice. So while waiting for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats to everyone. Is another brilliant move is boom! Knight h4 check. So it means brilliant sacrifice by Meow Meow. So it means another brilliant sacrifice. And also pawn takes knight. So it means pawn takes knight here from this one. And also queen h3 check. And also good move by king g1 by Irina. So it means decided Irina by move by king g1. And another again great move is boom, queen g4 check. Still good strongest move by Meow Meow. So it is decided her with the focusing of this good decisions move by Meow Meow. And also another good move, king f1 by Irina. So it means realize that. So it means very strongest move on this one. And also queen f3. So it means queen f3 with a developed by Meow Meow. And also another good move by rook d3 by Irina. Oh my god. So why many great move or good move? Still many good moves here by Meow. I mean, sorry, Irina. So it means Irina is white pieces and black pieces by Meow Meow. So it means so rook d3 is great move by Irina. So it means rook d3 with a threatening of this queen here from this one. So it means threatening queen. And another again good move is queen h1 check. So it means good move by Meow Meow. So it means decided here. So it means with the target's rook. So it means trap. So it means target. And also king e2. And also rook takes a1. So it means one rook down by Irina. So it means decided by Meow Meow. So it means very focusing by strongest again by so it means masters from this chess. And also rook e3. And also bishop g4 check. And also good move f3. So it means another good move by Irina. So it means developed by also that. So it means f3 with a threatening of this one bishop from this one. So it is threatening. And also bishop e6. So it means bishop e6. And also king f2. Bishop h3. And also rook e1 with the threatening of this one by queen from this Meow Meow. And also queen takes c3 pawn. So it means queen takes c3 with a idea from this good decisions by Meow Meow. and also bishop e5 with a threatening queen, and also queen c5 check, bishop d4, queen d6, bishop e5 or queen c5, bishop d2 or queen c6, bishop e5 or queen c5. Oh my god, I'm still another rap songs from this one. So it means it means sample rap song. Oh, still rap song here. Still three repetitions from this one. So it means draw from this round number four in challenger. So the score is accuracy by Irina is 98.7 points by white pieces, and black pieces score accuracy by Meow Meow is 98.9. Oh my god. So it means winner from this score is I am Lu Miawi. So it means congratulations Meow Meow. Meow Meow. So it means congratulations by Meow Meow from this international master in China. So it means so I hope in this part of this video here, thank you so much here from this one. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Iconmark 17. Thank you so much from this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and bye bye.